Hi everybody and welcome to the Brisbane Home Show. Today we're featuring True Blue aluminium windows and doors and bathroom products. We're a large-scale wholesaler originating in Melbourne, Sydney and Brisbane, and with all our supplies coming out of China. Come over to this side of town. Over here we have our kitchen section, which is from our beautiful stone that comes out of China. We have a variety of over 70 different styles of stone that we can provide for you, along with 2-pack polyurethane cupboard doors or laminate, whichever your choice is, in a variety of colours. The colours are endless. As you can see, these are some of our recent projects as well. We do high-end buildings, coming across to our latest project, which is the Meriton building here in Southport on the Gold Coast. From here, we come across to our aluminium extrusions. Now these start from a 6mm toughened glass through to a double glazing, through to our high-end low-E glass, which is argon filled, which is the greatest thing that you can have here, especially for Australian climates, which stops all the hot air and the heat from outside coming in and all your beautiful temperature inside going out. As you can see, this is our standard door. This is one of our more popular products. Our bifold double glazed doors can be used in a commercial range, industrial or in residential. If you prefer a more unique lower profile, we have narrower profiles of the aluminium to suit a residential property. So you can pick and choose. We have a very large expanse for you to choose from out of our website. From there we go to one of our other greater products, which is very unique to us, is the Venetian blind, which is sealed inside of the double glazed glass unit. So therefore no cleaning of the Venetians, no dust to collect or take off, completely controlled from the inside of the window. Very unique and a fantastic new product on the market. Once again, comes in a variety of over 80 colours, so you can pick and choose a colour scheme that matches your lifestyle or your design. From that we go into another new product, the smart toilet. As you can see, completely automatic and very unique to what we have here in Australia now. The toilets are completely flushable, automatic, and will open as you approach the toilet. They are self-flushing, air-conditioned to dry you off naturally, and self-cleaning. They have a full cleaning system under the rim here to keep your toilet nice and clean. It has a heated seat on both units, and the bottom end range is just a standard self-cleaning automatic opening toilet. So that's it for us today. So if you have any more information you want to get from us, come on down to the home show and check us out at www.truebluebuildingsolutions.com.au. Thank you.